What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ron and I'm in my 2018 Subaru WRX. So we're gonna head over to the tire shop. It's about noon, and for those wondering, yes, I do have a day job. It's called lunchtime, so I'm taking my lunch hour and we're gonna pick up some new tires. I'll get into details in a little bit. I just wanna pick them up first and then get back home before the lunch break is over. So I'll take you guys along for the ride, so let's go. So I had to fold down the rear seats just because we're getting some new tires, and kind of nice because it makes it, that much louder in here. Oh, all the bumps. If you guys can hear this, actually get some poppy sounds. It's nice. Speed limit is 50 over here. We're going 45. Come on, buddy. All right, we just pulled up to Discount Tire. And I didn't even think about waiting. I just thought I can come in here and pick up the tires and leave, but all right, we got the tires in the trunk and I gotta head home and get back to work. I'll finish up the vlog after I get off of work. See you guys in a bit. Okay, so it's about 5 o'clock. Just got off of work. I was gonna finish this video, but then I realized we had to go to the grocery store, so we're gonna do that real quick. So here are the tires. I didn't get a chance to take them out and store them, but my original plan was to put the tires in here in this Michelin tire carrier protector thing, but I ended up putting my snow tires on here, so I'll probably switch these out just because it looks, or I'm not gonna lie, just because it looks cool. So that's why I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go to the grocery store first and then talk about more on why I got some tires. Being an adult sucks. All right, just got home from the grocery store. Let's go take the tires out of the car. And then my buddy Austin actually hit me up, asked if I wanted to go on a drive real quick. If you guys don't know, Austin is my neighbor with a 600 wheel horsepower build on his STI. So I'm gonna try to get some cool footage for you guys and then close out the video. Okay, so there we have it. So we got a second set of Michelin Pilot Sport 4Ss. I'm currently running these and I really love the tire. So Michelin, if you're watching this, please sponsor me. Nah, I was just joking, but can't say enough good things about this tire. This is why we got a second set. And don't get me wrong, these are still good. For a little while I have, I don't know, probably 70% thread, but couldn't pass these up. I got a good deal on them. Same size and everything, 245/40 18s, and it's the 4Ss. Man, they look so good when they're brand new. Also, another reason I got a second set is I was really interested in doing some track days on the WRX. PIR is just a few minutes away from me, and they usually have like track night and stuff like that, so I was really interested in doing that. And in order to race, you need a set of tires, good tires, not just any tires. So this is also why we got a second set. And over the last few months, I've been kind of prepping the car for track. I recently did the suspension. I lowered it on some RCE yellow springs with some Bilstein GT Works shocks. I did supporting mods such as the parent pitch stop bracket and just a whole bunch of other stuff just to kind of make the car suitable for the track. And of course we got the new tires, and I have some slotted brake rotors and some new brake pads that I need to install. And so really looking forward to driving the car on a track. I did autocross a few times and it's just not the same as going on the actual track. I don't know, in my opinion, it's not as hard on the car when you do track versus autocross, but that's just me. And of course, I'll take you guys along with me throughout this entire journey if I do decide. I'm still on the fence about it, and I just really wanted to have new tires because I love these tires. I can't say it enough. Almost forgot. I'm gonna open this real quick. Bought a new mic, and we're gonna try it out. It is the Movo VXR 10 Pro. Anything after this part is gonna be on this mic. Okay, I lied, I wanted to just unbox it. It comes with the cool case and this big shotgun mic. Not bad. I'm actually walking to Austin's house. I wanted to get some footage, but I didn't want to drive because my GoPro doesn't work with my computer or the formatting or whatever. But yeah, I told him I'd be there in 5 minutes, 30 minutes ago. So sorry, dude. We're back. Yep, we're back. So, we going for a ride?
We are.
Oh, check out my new rig right here. This is Austin. Austin's my neighbor. This car was on one of my other videos back in, I'll say October, right?
I think so, yeah.
And at that time, how much was it pushing?
Honestly, don't know, because I wasn't even hitting wastegate.
Shout out to SteveTuned at PRE. He is the one who tuned this car. It's worse in the winter. I don't run it in the winter. Wait, you started it. Does that mean we're going for a drive?
You want to go for a drive?
Hell yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
I forgot how fast it was.
Just tipping into it.
Dude, I almost dropped my camera. Oh my god, dude. Never mind. I can't. It revs up to
8,000, and then on track mode I can go 8,500.
Jesus, and on the stock STI transmission.
Yeah.
This is why people get STIs, so. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try to just keep myself together. Dude! Oh shit! This is why I didn't want to drive my car, and I walked to your house because I didn't want to have to keep up with you, man.
I was like second, third, into fourth.
And it's pushing, you said 38 pounds of boost right now, right? Because you're on E, full E?
Yeah, I hit 39.
God, dude. I'm not even just exaggerating, bro. I'm legit like scared. Dude! Oh my god, dude. Look, he's not even fazed by it.
I guess I'm used to it now.
I'm gonna throw up, dude. I blew my ear out.
Get 100 likes in the comment that Ron has to drive it.
Hell no, I'm not driving this. So he's trying to get me to drive this car. I'm not driving this car, man. Damn, bro. Thanks for wasting your E85 on me. Oh my god, dude. Oh. And I forgot to mention, we are out here in Mexico.
Went down to Tijuana.
Tijuana. Oh man, dude, I'm not even like exaggerating. I kid you not. Like, this is as genuine as I can get. Like, I was screaming, dude. Yeah, so this is it. Oh gosh, dude. That was crazy. I've been in it before. I just keep forgetting how fast it is, and I never get used to it.
Yeah.
I'll link everything in the description so you guys can check out Austin's Instagram. I keep telling him to work on his YouTube stuff, but he's not doing it.
18-month-old business.
I guess I have to do it.
Stuff.
Before we close out the video, I forgot. Look at this. Look at this. What is that, bro? It's an R6 just hanging out.
I'll sell that for 12. It's got a full race exhaust.
How many miles again?
2,300. It's a 2017.
2,300 for a 2017 R6. If you're interested, if you're serious,
Yeah.
hit him up. It just literally just sits here.
All it has, so smoked windscreen, quick shifter, fender eliminator, upgraded taillight, has integrated turns, it has power commander in it. Only thing it needs to be tuned. It needs to be taken to EDR and tuned, which is like 800 bucks.
12 grand for sure.
Yeah.
There you go. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested. I sure as hell am not. I don't do any of that stuff, so. But yeah, this dude's always trying to get me to drive this car, and I refuse. One, I will feel terrible if I crash it. Okay, that's one. And the second is, I'm sure you all know, but I don't want my car to feel slow afterwards. So I think my car is pretty all right, but after driving this, then it'll feel completely different. So I'm not trying to do all that. Yeah, that was crazy. Thanks for that, dude. I appreciate it.
Well, you're welcome.
I know he always asks me to hang out, but I always say no.
Like, what's the point of having friends if they just don't want to hang out?
No, it's legit. I always say no. I never say, yeah, let's go. No, it's always no.
Like, dude, you have a Subaru. Let's go get Taco Bell. Let's go get coffee. Let's just go cruise. Like, no, dude, I'm lazy.
Look, he's mad.
I'm
He's
pissed.
legit mad. Look at him.
He's like my closest Subaru buddy around here, and he doesn't want to hang out.
Like I said, you guys can check out Austin's build. Ask him any questions about his car, how much money he put into it.
Yeah, future
and stuff
video.
like that.
I know. Time.
But all right, dude. I'll catch you later, man. Thank you.
See you later on.
Okay, it's about 9:30 and I just got home. Sorry for the randomness of the video. I just wanted to, I don't know, I felt like vlogging today. But yeah, we got a lot of things done today and I'm looking forward to making more videos like this. Hopefully you guys like it. I know it's a little random at times, but you know, it's all good. I have a good time doing it. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video here. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.